on conveyances say that was published some 60, 70 years ago. Compare it with what is available now. Take an agreement in modern time. See how much of those high-sounding words or complex and verbose construction of the past are still being retained. Okay? Sometimes when you read recent models of legal drafts, you wonder whether you need to be a lawyer to even read and understand. Okay? So that was what I was saying, what I expected to be discussed in that question. If you look at brief writing in modern time, how different is it from the way it used to be in the past? Okay? So we need some serious discussion of the plain language movement. This paper did it. I saw that this paper did some decent work of it towards the end. After the rules of statutory interpretation. Okay? Yes, they discuss the merits and demerits. You tend to wonder whether anybody should object to plain language being used in legal drafting, in briefs, and in every other legal process. Why should anybody object to it? Okay? So read their paper from page 34, especially page 35, merits of simplifying legal language. They talk about efficiency. They talk about disclosing errors. Some of the time, you use high-sounding language and long sentences to cover up errors. And you then create multiple interpretation. Okay? So they talk about image of the legal profession. They talk about accessibility. Accessibility. Look at the civil law system where they use code. Codes are usually couched in such a way that it's not only lawyers who will be able to read and understand them. So if you want legal documents to become accessible to everyone, then you have to change the language. You have to stop using the secret court language, to quote my younger brother, that we use in legal circles and proceedings. Okay? Efficiency and cost effectiveness, reducing errors and non-compliance, readability, and all of that. All these are merits. You would think that there ought not to be anybody who is opposed to plain language. But there are people who say they should leave our profession the way we are. Okay? They should leave us the way we are. We are better off, according to them. There is no need for legal writing to function as self-explanatory text. If they function as self-explanatory text, people will not come and seek legal advice. And you will deny lawyers of food to eat. So it is taught. So it is taught. Okay? Okay? There is also the feeling that some technical terms cannot be removed because they are what make legal writing to be precise. If you must read the legal writing, you must understand the register. You must take your time to understand the register. If you go to a country and you want to study in their country and they teach you with a different language, you first spend time to understand their language so that you benefit from whatever they teach you. So, same way it should be for those who want to benefit from legal writing, whether it's a brief or a court judgment or a draft of a legal conveyance or a statute. They should take their time to understand the register of the law. And it is better that way than telling the lawyer to use everyday language. Okay? So these are merits and demerits. This remarkable development is supposed to tell us how many of at least of the English-speaking countries are moving from the complex to the plain language movement. Okay? And you are supposed to recommend for Nigeria whether there is a merit in moving to plain language or not. Okay? Is there any merit in moving to plain language? Is it because of our constitution is not written in plain language that our politicians kill themselves even after a court verdict? How much of our problem with plain language usage solve? Okay? This is what we want you to look at. And your opinion will be very, very, very important. So nobody will impose any opinion on you in respect of that. So on that note, we take it that we have covered the topic language and law, or language of law, or law and language, etc., etc. Can we move to the next paper? Hello?
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Merci.
Group 6, are they here?
Yes, I've seen some of them here.
We are here, sir.
Okay.
What? How much time? Yeah. What's time now?
6:09.
We have good time now. You can
Yes,
present
sir.
your paper so that we discuss it next week.
Okay, sir.
How many of you are presenting it? Do I have the paper?
Yes, we
sir.
submitted it in
The paper.
the.
Yes, sir. We gave you the hard copy.
I don't have soft copy. If you give me the hard copy, probably in the office or somewhere where I don't know where I kept it.
Okay, I will resend it. I will resend it to you now, sir.
Okay. Good evening. How are you? No. So, kò lè wọ Uber láti Gbàgádà wá bí. Is it not better for you? Ẹyẹ jíjẹ pọ̀. Bóyá ó fẹ́ lọ bí kẹ́sà. Ẹfun dẹ́rù ẹfun. No, ṣé kò ṣe pé bàbá ẹdẹ fẹ́ lọ gbé? Bàbá ẹdẹ. Tani ó ní kó wá gba key? Oh, okay. 5,000 kan tún nìyẹn. Ẹyẹ jíjẹ pọ̀. Sorry o, present your paper please. Okay, you said you have sent it to me.
Yes,
have you
sir.
sent it now? Let me see.
Hello, Zainab, Group 6. Group 6
Yes.
leader. Please, can you share your paper on the platform again, please?
Okay, I'll resend it now. I'll
Please
resend
send
it now.
Okay.
What's your paper? Are you presenting morality and the law?
Yes,
Or something?
legal enforcement of morals, sir.
Legal enforcement of moral.
Yes, sir.
Why are we in a hurry? Let us do physical next week and take that one physically now.
Okay, sir.
Do you agree?
Okay, sir.
Yes, we do.
But send it to everyone. Let everyone read ahead.
I'll do that, sir.
There's a lot of jurisprudence in that topic.
A whole lot.
We will be debating HLA Act and
At fuller debate.
Fuller and that debate.
Yes, sir.
We should also be looking at the attitude of some schools of thought. Instead of that, we should look
Yes,
at utilitarianism in particular, social utilitarianism, individual utilitarianism, public utilitarianism. It will have something to do with many of the things that we are battling with in recent time. What is the extent of that government should regulate private life? Okay? Why should government give rules during COVID-19 that people must cover their nose? Okay? Why do you forbid the LGBT? Why do you forbid same-sex relationship? Okay? What is the relationship between morality and law in terms of what they cover? Is it a microcosm within a macrocosm? If it is a microcosm within a macrocosm, which is the macrocosm? Is it morality or law? Okay? It's a very interesting topic. Let's take a full 2 hours. Just prepare to present your paper in 30 minutes next week. Okay?
Okay,
So that
sir.
we can use 1.5 hours to discuss it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So I see you
Okay,
next
sir.
week.
Thank you, sir. We are
Okay,
grateful,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Please, if you've not dropped your matric number and your names, please kindly do so.
Yeah, thank you.